Okay, in this super quick and easy video, I'm going to show you how to edit your special hours and holiday hours directly on Google for your business. Let's jump right into it. So first, to find the tools for your Google business profile, search your business name. You might have to search business name, city, state, and make sure you're logged in with the Gmail account that is the owner or manager on the profile. Once you do, you should get these tools pop up. Just click on Edit Profile, and what that's going to do for you is open up this little menu here of tools to edit your profile. Scroll over here to hours and then scroll down here to special hours and click on this little pencil. Now you're going to have the common holiday hours that pop up. So for my special hours on the holidays, all I have to do is go to like Christmas Eve, review, and I'm going to click closed because we're closed on Christmas Eve, closed for Christmas. New Year's Eve, we have special hours, so it's only from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So I'm going to do that. You're going to want to make sure to put save. Now, if you have a separate special thing, let me show you that. But first, check out the playbook for your quick fix guide and your Google ranking. It helps support the channel. And if you want to grab those, it's going to help you do everything you need to do to fix your profile and rank #1. So add a date. You just select the special date. So let's just say you have an event or something and you're closed the 19th. You select that. And then you select your opens at, closes at time. And then once you're done with all that, you click on save.